Hi, this is Ishwar Chaudhary. I'm here doing a presentation for iTech 3207. Today, I'm here to talk about green computing and e-waste and the challenges which the IT managers face when doing or achieving these goals. So let's just start. So before any of that, let's just talk about what is green computing. Green computing is the study and the practice of using computing resources efficiently. Green computing is the environmentally responsible and eco-friendly use of computers and their resources. So, along with their responsibilities, the IT managers they have a certain responsibility towards the environment as well, and they can be achieved in a few ways. But before these ways, these methods, these are applied, we need to talk about the challenges and what are the challenges or what can be the challenges for these methods. So the challenges can be, first of all, can be expensive. It can be a new and challenging thing, and also new training and rules needs to be applied to the employees as well. So what are the approaches to green computing? The first is green use. What is green use? Green use is minimizing the electricity consumption of the computers, such as using screensavers and stuff like that. Then we got green disposal. This is disposing or recycling the unwanted electronic equipment properly and appropriately. Then we got green design. Green designing is more of efficiency. We need to create computers which are eco-friendly, which are more energy efficient, so that they give the same output but use less electricity. Then green manufacturing. Green manufacturing is minimizing the waste during manufacture of computing. These are the basic approaches to green computing. Then the advantages which the IT managers and the environment will incur. So these are energy saving, environmentally friendly, cost effective, save more money over the year, over the long term, and also the money can be taken as tax write-off. The disadvantages in the short term can be high startup cost, not readily available, still experimental stages, and not for everyone. Because see, for IT managers, for big firms, for the larger firms, it can be possible, but not for the smaller firms. So e-waste. What are e-waste? E-waste are electronic components which are ready to be disposed. These are basically the e-waste. So here are the basic examples of e-waste, such as scanners, computers, personal devices, laptops, cell phones. These are all can be considered of e-waste. So how can they be discarded properly? So they can be discarded by by recycling methods, by detoxification, shredding, and refining. In the first step, the recycling process where the toxic substances are removed, such as glasses and bulbs and all that, batteries, the chemicals, these are removed. Then there is a shredding process, and then the refining process, in which the 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 material is then again refined and collected and can be ready to and is ready to be reused. So these are the references that I've used, and thank you for your presentation.